You can potentially make money by using AI, but it depends on various factors including your skills, resources, and the specific application of AI you choose. AI has a wide range of applications across industries, and it has the potential to create value and generate revenue in different ways. Here are some ways you could make money using AI. AI consulting and services. If you have expertise in AI, you can offer consulting services to businesses looking to implement AI solutions. This could involve providing AI strategy, development, or integration services to optimize their processes and operations. AI software development. You can create and sell AI-based software products or applications to businesses or consumers. These could range from chatbots and virtual assistants to data analysis tools and recommendation systems. AI for marketing. AI can be used to optimize marketing campaigns, target specific audiences, and personalize content. You can offer AI-driven marketing services to businesses looking to improve their marketing efforts. AI in finance. There are opportunities to use AI for algorithmic trading, fraud detection, credit scoring, and risk assessment in the financial sector. AI in healthcare. AI can be applied in medical imaging, drug discovery, personalized medicine, and health monitoring. Developing AI solutions for the healthcare industry can be financially rewarding. AI in e-commerce. AI-driven recommendation systems, inventory management, and customer service chatbots can enhance e-commerce businesses and lead to profit. AI in gaming and entertainment. Creating AI-powered games or virtual reality experiences can attract a large audience and generate revenue through sales or in-game purchases. AI in autonomous systems. AI is at the core of self-driving cars, drones, and other autonomous systems. Developing or providing services for such technologies can be lucrative. Data monetization. If you have access to valuable data, AI can be used to analyze and extract insights. You can then sell these insights or provide data-driven services to other businesses. AI research and innovation. If you are at the cutting edge of AI research, you might attract funding from investors or companies interested in commercializing your breakthroughs. Remember that success in any of these areas often requires a strong understanding of AI, domain-specific expertise, and a creative approach to problem-solving. Building a successful AI-based business may take time, dedication, and continuous learning, but the potential for making money is undoubtedly there.